Hello, Assalamualaikum. Hari ni kita buat Finnish bun ya. And this bun is normally eaten during Easter. But for me, I don't care. I just bake it whenever I feel it and I want it. And the name of this bun ya, it's not easy to mention, bukan senang ya. So I just tell it slowly. In Finnish, they call it Pääsiäispirakka atau dikenali sebagai Finnish buns, Finnish Easter buns. So hopefully enjoy this video and the photos, because to do this special bun it takes a longer time to do it. So be patient and check out all the steps underneath under the YouTube, the video or whatever, the screen under the YouTube, so you can see everything lah. The ingredients, the ingredients and also langkah-langkah dia. So jom kita mulakan. Bahan-bahan: cottage cheese, buah pelaga, serbuk buah pelaga, telur, serpan kulit what do you call, lemon. Yang ni adalah orange ready made. Garam, tepung. Yang ini adalah gula. Yang ini adalah cocktail. You boleh beli kat kedai ready made. Yang ini adalah yeast, margarine atau butter. You boleh guna. Yang ini adalah susu. So jom kita mulakan. Ini adalah susu. So we have to boil it, but not too hot, but finger warm. So if you see kalau kita asap tu keluar, that means dah panas sikit, then you can use it, the milk, for baking. So you see, you will start baking. To dip it. It's not finger warm yet. Make sure jari you bersih ya. Again. Now it's start already. So now we will use the milk with the yeast together. tengok pada gambar ni ya. Pastikan dough or the bun tu tekapkan dengan gelas. You kena tengok pada bawah tu. Gelas tu make sure you put the what do you call saluti dengan tepung ya. So it will not stick underneath of the glass. Make sure you put some flour underneath it. Alright? That's why I just want to tell you a bit tips. Dalam gambar ni, you pastikan ya, you guna telur yang telah pecahkan satu telur and whisk it. And then sapu tepi edge tu ya, edge of the bun. So it will be crispy. Sebab kalau you tak buat nanti kan tak sedap. So you tengok, so you buat macam tu lah, macam I buat dalam gambar tu. Whisk one egg, pecahkan satu telur, whisk it. And then sapu tepi bun tu ya. But not inside where you tekapkan dengan gelas. Just tepi of the bun, the edge of the bun tu. You lihat gambar rajah sini ya. Thank you. Okay, dalam gambar ni you tengok decoration kami macam mana ya. Lepas you letak cottage cheese on top of it. And then letakkan buah-buahan, ready-made buah-buahan daripada tin tu atas kita punya bun. But I suggest that you can use other fruits too if you like. You don't have to follow what I like because you can put apricot or rambutan. You know, you can try with fresh fruits if you want to. But I recommended strongly to use the canned fruits lah. Or at least one canned fruit or one fresh fruits. But it's up to you what you want to decorate, alright? But feel free to try it out by your own.